How to create Citibank online banking. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create Citibank online banking. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any web browser on your device. That might be Chrome, Safari, Firefox or any of those. For now, let's open Google Chrome on my device. Click the search bar at top of the screen and then type in www.citi.com. Once you have typed in the URL, press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of Citibank Online, which is credit cards, banking, mortgage. So at the top right corner of the screen, you will see the sign in page, where at underneath sign in button, click on the register button. Once you click the register button, you will get access to the creation of the Citibank online page where you can simply enter all the credentials of account informations like your credit or debit card number. You can choose the bank account number, paycheck protection program loan account number or brokerage or the personal loan and then click the continue button. Once you fill in the account information, you have to go through the another step, that is the verification. Then the third step is set up online access and lastly you have to add the confirmations. And once you follow all these four steps, you can successfully create Citibank online banking account. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.